Okay, so the throat singing videos seem to be doing rather well, which is great because I'm enjoying doing them. So I thought, why not be a little moody, little spooky? Cause um, ow. While I was working at camp, anytime that I would throat sing, there was always a small child that like got scared. It's funny because I'm 6'3", so it's always some little kid that's like, "What are you doing?" So, anyways. Are you trying to, bird? Please start throat singing. That'll be hilarious. That didn't work out so well. This is fun because like there's nothing else I know that can relate to this, and there's nothing I can really explain that relates to this. It's one of those things where it's just like if you could do it, I would do it because like it's cool as shit. And it's really fun. It's also like comforting because the resonance, as someone with tummy issues, ooh, it just feels great. Alright, so we've done a good bit lower. We'll do maybe some of the mid high, because I don't know. You don't like that, huh? You don't need to bite. Bird. Get in here. It's so much louder. Alright.